keep coming, slowly. Okay, lift it up now, go ahead. Get over the belt, a little more tilt. That's it, hold it steady. All right, easy now. Bring it up slowly. Okay, dump it.
The flow rate seems consistent.
Yes, but the weight distribution is uneven on the belt.
Here at the facility, the recycling process begins as the used inner tubes start their journey down the main conveyor line. The mixer breaks down the recycled rubber, preparing it for its next life cycle as a smooth, uniform compound.
The industrial mixing extruder continuously processes the recycled material. As it moves through the heated chamber, the thick black rubber compound becomes smoother and more uniform.
The heated mixing extruder continuously releases a thick stream of smooth, molten black recycled rubber compound.
The molten black recycled rubber begins its journey down the line toward the specialized color dosing units. It remains black for
The newly synthesized black, red, blue, and green rubber compounds are rapidly transported toward the molding department for final shaping. Here, automation meets sustainability as the molten recycled rubber compound fills the specialized smartphone protective pouches molds. The automatic injection heads begin dispensing the hot recycled rubber compound slowly into the empty iPhone case mold cavities.
The injection process continues, filling hundreds of molds with recycled rubber compounds in vibrant colors: black, red, blue, and green. Freshly injected with the recycled compound, the molds move relentlessly forward on the heavy-duty conveyor belt towards the industrial heating tunnel for the curing phase. The conveyor belt moves the protective case molds deep into the heating tunnel. The intense heat ensures the materials are properly tempered before the next stage of production.
Having passed through the intense heat of the curing tunnel, the molds approach the demolding station, ready to reveal the finished cases. As the molds exit the heating tunnel, the freshly cured cases begin their natural cooling process during transport down the line. The conveyor belt delivers the molds to the demolding station. Here, automated guide rails gently position each case. The automated arm moves into position, carefully unlocking the steel mold. As the upper plate lifts away, the newly formed smartphone case.
At the final quality inspection station, our diverse team meticulously examines every case for flawless surface finish and precise cutouts.
After meticulous inspection, the approved cases are moved along the conveyor, revealing the massive scale of the operation before packaging.
The guide rails ensure perfect alignment before the cases reach the automated packaging stage, optimizing efficiency. The guide rails ensure perfect alignment before the cases reach the automated packaging stage, optimizing efficiency.